Hi guys, welcome to RK IT HELPDESK. Today we are going to learn about how to trace emails in Office 365. So let's start. Open Security and Compliance in Office 365. This is production.office.com/message trace. After writing this URL, we'll get this dashboard. For this, we have to log in admin account. So just click on Start Trace. There are two options, all senders and all recipients. If you click on search, all senders and all recipients information will be here. Let's check this. This is the all senders and all recipients information result. So I want to search particular recipients and particular senders. Now I will show you how to check recipients mails. I want to check Gmail. Just click on search. See, now we search on Ramesh. This is a result of recipient Ramesh K at accor.com. Here is the status filtered as spam delivered. What is the filtered as a spam? Let's check. This message was sent to the recipient junk folder. Means this message in recipient junk folder, not in inbox. Let's check this delivered. This message was delivered to recipient inbox folder. See, it is delivered properly. There are some more options also in status, quarantine and deleted. Some features are there, but right now don't have any quarantine emails. Hope you understand the video. If you like the video, please do comment, share, and subscribe RK IT Helpdesk. Thank you for watching.